How to find QR code in Ring Doorbell. So first, you need to power up your Ring Doorbell. To begin the setup, you first need to ensure that your Ring Doorbell is powered up. So if your Ring Doorbell model connects directly to your home's doorbell wiring, ensure the wiring is in good condition and properly connected. Now, after that, open the Ring app. Ensure that your smartphone or tablet has the Ring app installed and is connected to a stable connection. So, on the Ring app, log into your Ring account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. And then this account will be central to managing all your Ring devices. Now, once logged in, navigate to the Setup a Device option in the app. This option will guide you step by step through the process of adding a new Ring doorbell to your account. Selecting this option will bring you to a point where the app requests the QR code of your device before proceeding further. Now locate the QR code on your Ring doorbell. Finding the QR code on your Ring doorbell is quite straightforward, but it can vary slightly depending on the model. Typically, the QR code is located on the back of the device, under the faceplate, or in the packaging. Remove the faceplate for models with a removable faceplate to reveal the QR code underneath. If the QR code is located on the back of the device, you may need to carefully remove the doorbell from its mounting to access it. Now scan the QR code using the Ring app and follow on-screen instructions to complete the setup. After that, you can customize your settings, test your Ring doorbell, and enable live view and test video quality. And that is how to find QR code in Ring doorbell.